Alright, good morning everybody. It looks like prime beach day today. So it's water's still cold, I think. It's still March, but wind is pretty light. So yeah, we're gonna get on it and see if we can go do a little stand-up paddle, and I think maybe take Pepper out. So looking forward to it. So trying to dig up the transports. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Look at this down here. Oh, by the garbage can. Oh, garbage can full of water. Yuck. Somebody really ought to clean up this mess back here. You know how hard it is to do this while holding the camera? Alright, there we go. Bucket of water. Nasty. Yeah, let's get these stand-up paddle boards set up. Waves are really small, so I think it's just gonna be a chill, fun day on the beach, out in the water. So looking forward to it. Yeah, check this out. This is Brenda's bike. So it's March now, and you know, it hasn't been ridden obviously since Christmas. So I've got to take all these Christmas lights off now. Oh joy. Get up here and see a car, I'll probably have to stop. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. That never gets old, Pepper. Looks like a pretty shallow sandbar out there. Okay. A little wave out there. Oh. That's a good boy. You're doing good. Yeah. Yes, he's doing good. He's a good boy. It's okay. You're doing good. Yeah, it's okay. You're doing good. Big boy. Yes. Yeah, it's a good boy. Hang on. That's a good boy. It's okay. Okay, here we go. There you go. Yes, good boy. Let's go see what Mom's doing. I'm gonna go catch some waves and then go, you know, this kind of stuff. Okay. Thank you. He wants to swim to you so bad. No. All right, let's go play on the beach. Alright, hold on. That's okay. Good boy. Yeah, we're going to go in and play some frisbee here in a minute, okay? I'm gonna go Pepper, come. That's a good boy. Well, that didn't work so good. Pepper jumped off while I was paddling for a wave, knocking me off the board. So, kind of sucked. Oh well. Wait. Okay. Alright. 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 Okay. Uh-oh, Pepper got hurt. Yeah, so we had to come back a little bit early because unfortunately Pepper hurt himself, his leg. Not sure exactly how he did it. Maybe when we fell off coming in the small waves. Not really sure if the board hit him or exactly what. But essentially what Pepper did is he jumped off the board as I was paddling to catch some whitewater coming in. And when he did that, he knocked me off the board because he shoved the board backwards while I was standing up. Anyway, we went tumbling into the beach. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see on the footage, but not a great first time out with him getting injured. And of course, he's a border collie, so he wants to play. He wants to play frisbee on the beach and have a good time. But we can't do that as long as he's limping around and he's obviously got a injury. So yeah, I was just talking about poor Pepper and his injury, and we got him washed up, and he's hanging out on the porch resting. Thank goodness. We give him some snacks and take a look at his leg, and hopefully things will start looking better. Poor puppy.
Yeah, I hope it's not
We don't want our puppy dog being hurt, that's for sure. Hey everyone, it's good news. Pepper's leg seems to be okay. Come here, Pepper. Notice he's limping. Good place. Good place. But he's okay. What it turned out to be is that when we rode the bikes down, he pulled so hard to one side that he scraped his pads raw on one foot, and that's why he was limping. So he's done it before, and lesson learned. I guess I'll just have to walk him down to the beach instead of going with a bike, because he just pulls so hard to the side on pavement. And he's done it ever since he was a puppy. And especially if a car comes by, he's still very reactive to cars. And you know, not sure what to do about that. If you've got ideas, let us know in the comments. Thanks. He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Old limp along, Cassidy. Yeah, you know, with the sore feet. Poor puppy. Until we see you next time, happy trails.